Have you ever heard the news say the government is introducing an economic stimulus package?
Yes, but many people don't really understand what economic stimulus actually means.
Exactly. Today, we'll explain economic stimulus in simple business English.
And we'll look at how governments use it to boost economic growth. Let's begin.
Emma, what exactly is economic stimulus?
Simply put, economic stimulus is when a government takes action to encourage economic growth.
What kind of actions?
Usually two main types: fiscal stimulus and monetary stimulus.
What is fiscal stimulus?
Fiscal stimulus involves government spending or tax cuts.
How do tax cuts stimulate the economy?
If people and businesses pay less tax, they have more money to spend. That increases demand and business activity.
And government spending.
When governments invest in infrastructure like roads, schools, or hospitals, they create jobs and increase economic activity.
What about monetary stimulus?
Monetary stimulus is controlled by central banks. It often involves lowering interest rates
Why does lowering interest rates help?
because borrowing money becomes cheaper. People are more likely to buy homes, cars, or other big purchases.
So, it encourages spending.
Exactly.
Governments can also adjust lending requirements, right?
Yes. Banks are required to hold a certain amount of capital. If the government lowers that requirement, banks can lend more money.
But isn't that risky?
It can be. More lending can stimulate growth, but it also increases financial risk.
How do markets usually react to stimulus policies?
Often stock markets rise because investors expect economic growth.
But what is the danger?
If markets rely too heavily on stimulus, growth may slow when government support stops. Let's review key business English vocabulary from today's lesson.
Stimulus, an action taken to encourage economic growth. Fiscal policy, government decisions about spending and taxation. Monetary policy, central bank actions that control interest rates and money supply. Interest rate, the cost of borrowing money. Big ticket item, an expensive purchase such as a house or car. Instigate, to cause something to begin. Beyond my pay grade, not senior or experienced enough to make a decision.
These terms are very useful when discussing global economic news.
Today, we learned that economic stimulus can take several forms.
Governments may reduce taxes, increase spending, lower interest rates, or adjust lending requirements.
All of these strategies aim to encourage economic growth.
Understanding these concepts helps you speak confidently about global business and finance.
If you want to improve your business English through real global topics, subscribe to J Learning Hub.
And here is today's discussion question.
Do you believe government stimulus always helps the economy, or can it create long-term problems?
Share your opinion in the comments below.